People always ask me, Steve, is a Ford Escape really that good? How about I let you decide? The Escape has user-friendly technology, advanced safety features, best-in-class fuel economy, and the cargo space? Yeah, I say there's plenty of room back there. For the month of February, lease a 2025 Ford Escape for only $256 a month. With all these great deals and amenities, yeah, I say it's worth checking out. So join us here at Suburban Ford of Sterling Heights, located at 17.5 in Van Dyke. We can't wait to see you.